Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue the video lesson of chapter number 6 of Geography, which is about agriculture. So let's start this module with the farm system. Farm system comprises of a variety of inputs and outputs. Some of the operations which are involved in inputs are labor, capital, seeds, animals, fertilizers, etc. While in process, the operations like plowing, sowing, spraying, harvesting, grazing, milking, they are involved. Output, that is the final product which is obtained after input and processing. For example, wheat, potatoes, barley, seeds, crop waste, etc. Types of farming. Farming that is broadly divided into two types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming that is further divided into primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is practiced to fulfill the needs of the family. In this, farm products are consumed by the farmer and his family. A variety of crops are grown by the farmers, and low levels of technology, machines and household labor, they are used in subsistence farming. In this, the production is relatively low and the farmers are generally poor. Okay, now we will talk about the shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation, that is also termed as slash and burn agriculture, because in this type of agriculture, a plot of land is cleared by cutting and burning the trees. The ashes are mixed with the soil to make the soil fertile. Crops like maize, yam, potatoes and cassava are grown. After one or two times of crop, the soil loses its fertility. Then the land is abundant and the cultivator moves to a new plot. This type of agriculture is mainly done by the tribal people living in the tropical forest. Nomadic herding. It is also called livestock farming. In this, animals are reared and used in different agricultural operations. In nomadic herding, herdsman moves from one place to another with his animals. They do so in search of water and fodder for their animals. Goat, camel, yak and sheep, these are the main animals reared in nomadic herding. Intensive subsistence farming. In this, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land by using simple tools and more labor. More than one crop is grown annually on the same plot, as the climate is favorable and the soil is fertile. Rice is the main crop and the other crops include wheat, maize, pulses and oilseeds. Intensive subsistence farming is prevalent in the thickly populated areas of monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Commercial farming. Under commercial farming, the crops are grown and the animals are reared to sell in the market. The area cultivated and the amount of capital invested is large. Most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming, that is further divided into commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. Commercial grain farming, in this crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat and maize, these are the common crops grown in commercial grain farming. Mixed farming, in this the land is used for growing food and fodder, and the rearing livestock also that is done. So in mixed farming, livestock they are reared along with farming of food and the fodder crops. Both the activities are practiced on the same farmland. Plantation farming. It's a predominance of a single crop farming, which is raised on a large estates of about 100 acres each. Crops are managed scientifically. Crops raised only for the sale, it involves large number of labor and huge capital. These are some of the examples of plantation crops: tea, coffee, coconut, rubber, banana also. So this is all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.